Rashida's day starts the same way. She wakes up at 5 a.m. to milking 3 cows, and she does it in the evening as well. She ties the legs of the cow. She does it because of your safety while milking, because a cow may kick. The next step is washing cow breast before milking. While she's milking cow, her husband Anwar does other things. They use a manure as organic fertilizer in agriculture.
Ана жерде не істейсің анне?
Mana làm. Nó cũng không có số làm.
Anwar Agha and Rashida Tate had 3 grown children. Now they have their own family. Anwar Agha and Rashida Tate have practiced animal husbandry for almost 40 years. Rashida Tate uses a separator to get kaymak from the milk.
Vallahi gözümüze tartıştık.
Gününe qancha sıyır savasız? 3 sıyır savasız var. Kechga tag'i savasız ya? Tangirting kechga.
Kaymak is a creamy dairy food like clotted cream made from the milk.
Qancha jil bo'ldi osылай mal bilan aylanib жүргендеріңізге?
Rashida Tate and Anwar Agha is great team. When Rashida Tate finishes milking, Anwar Agha takes the cows to Jailao. After milking the horse, the cows need pasture. However, there is not enough place for cows' pasture. This is why they are going to move to another village. They have already started to build a house over there. Kazakh were nomads. The Kazakhs migrated seasonally to find pasturage for their livestock. The cattle were wells for them, which gave them food and clothes. The Kazakh use the cattle as transportation as well. However, due to urbanization and new lifestyle even in countryside, it's hard to have cattle. I asked them about their dreams. I noticed that the question made them blush. Rashida Tate didn't want to answer the question first, but finally answered it. Their answers were the same. I expected those answers, if to be honest. I suppose many Kazakh elders' dreams are similar.
Armanınızı aytып беріңізші.
Onu yapmayın.
Да.
Енді арман жоқ қой. Güzelim kalp değil de енді бала шағамыз арасында жүре бергенімізден басқа болған жоқ қой. Немере.
Бақыттысыз ғой.
Бақыттымын ғой осы. Бақыттығыма. Біреуден алды демесін, біреудің атын демесін, орташа өмір сүріп жатырмын ба енді. Баймын демейін де, кедейін демейін.
Qanday armanınız var?
Her bir adamın öz armanı болады ғой.
Iya.
Adam öz armanı болады, her bir adam. Мен осы бала шағаның ортасында осылардың ойнап күліп алдымда жүргені сол соның өзі.
The Kazakhs usually don't let guests who visit their house for the first time leave the house without small gift. She presented me homemade butter. They are so sweet and nice people.